to Shorthand Simplified. Today we will see some sentences based on topic covered so far. So first sentence is they will come to the game today. So they will can be phrased together. So they will. Will is represented by l sound. Come is a short form, so k. To the is a phrase, to the game game today. They think, you can phrase this together. So they think. They will be can be phrased together. So they will be delayed. Now show them. So show them is the sound. The tick. Way to the lake. So to the lake. Who will? So who will come to the boat? Question mark. Do they think? We shall. We and shall. So we shall can be phrased together. They think can be phrased together. Beg them to come. We may. So we may. You can phrase them together. Change the. So change and the. Change the date to the 10th. So t, n and th and a sound. 10th. Do they? So do they know the death? Know the. You can phrase this together. Debt. Question mark. Have we. Phrase them together. Paid the. So paid the debt. We have given him a check. To mail to them. To mail to them are the phrases today. Shall we? So shall we take the mail to the boat? Now we shall. So we shall aim to change the. So to change the name. We know. Phrase them together. They will. So they will come today. Next sentence is they will. So it is they will take the lunch to the lake. So to the lake. Joe led the. So led the tick way to the lake. But they say it was too low to bathe. Was the, so was the, male delayed, male delayed. It will be, so it will be. Phrase given to him, given is represented by go. To him, so to him. Today, today. Joe owes them, Joe owes them the debt. So we have given them the check. So given them the check. The thing to do, so to do was to make them weigh the coal. So weigh the coal. They both say, so they both say the coal, so the tick coal was weighed. Who came to the lake? Now, who came to, take the, so to take the, so to take the load to the depot, we have no, so we have no lunch to take to the game. So to take to the game. May we have, so may we have, you can phrase these 3 words. 4 words. So may we have the yellow boat to take to the bay. Who will be paid to show them the way to do it? So who will be is one phrase, them the is another phrase. Next sentence, last sentence. We think, so we think they will, so it is we think they will come to the show, which will be given today.